Mongol University of Science and Technology, established in 1959, is one of the 6 national leading universities of the country with its superior quality service to the society, focusing on education, research, and innovation in the field of engineering, science, and technology to support higher education for the 21st century. The university has 5 campuses in the capital city of Ulaanbaatar and 2 campuses in Tarkhan and Edirne city, with over 30,000 students and 1,200 academic staff in total. The history of the university dates back to the 1959, with starting of civil engineering, industry engineering, and industrial economics courses at the National University of Mongolia. On November 25, 1969, the Polytechnic Institute was established with 5 faculties and 13 departments. In 1982, by the government resolution, the Polytechnic Institute was separated from the Mongolian National University and became as an individual institution with 7 faculties. Polytechnic Institute was recognized as the Mongolian Technical University by the government resolution 154. In 1990, with 5 schools, 3 institutes, and 2 centers. After the democratic revolution of 1990, Mongolia has implemented drastic reforms to its academic programs as well as the administration and management of the institution to meet international standards in the quality of its education. By the 1999, the university successfully implemented the credit-based system on its education program. In 2001, by the government resolution, the Mongolian Technical University has recognized as Mongolian University of Science and Technology. With the aim of becoming one of the Asia's best universities, our university has been focusing on further strengthening our research and educational abilities while simultaneously investing our full efforts towards internationalization, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Given this goal, we have a community dedicated to academic excellence and over 1,200 professors, faculties, researchers, and staff along with our students, alumni, colleagues, associates, and supporters. Since its establishment, the university has educated and trained over 70,000 engineering manpower for the country's development. Today, Mongolian University of Science and Technology has 9 schools, 2 institutes, 59 research institutes and centers, 21,679 students, including 19,417 undergraduate and 2,262 graduate students, 1,240 faculty members. The university has consists 10 schools: School of Civil Engineering and Architect, School of Geology and Mining Engineering, School of Power Engineering, School of Applied Sciences, School of Mechanical Engineering, School of Information and Communication Technology, School of Industrial Technology, School of Business Administration and Humanities, School of Technology in Tarkhan City, School of Technology in Edirne City, and 2 institutes, Foreign Language Institute and E-Open Institute. The academic activities at the university abides by the list of training fields made by the Ministry of Education, Culture, Science, and Sports of Mongolia. The university is offering 58 bachelor programs, 143 master degree programs, and 86 doctor and PhD degree programs for students. The main thrust at Mongolian University of Science and Technology is on goal-oriented research and innovation relevant to the country's needs. With these aims and objectives, the university is in charge of ensuring that high-quality research of direct relevance to our country's needs is pursued in all schools of the university. Our researchers actively pursue and exceed in their shared responsibility to transfer new knowledge and technological advances to society for its future benefit. From a strong and essential foundation in fundamental work must now encompasses full spectrum of research in the engineering, industrial technology and design, social behavioral sciences, humanities, environmental studies, material science, and mathematics. MUST has a research institute as Institute of Mining, Institute of Thermotechnics, Industrial Technology, Institute of Light Industry R&D, Institute of Foreign Training and Research, Institute of Forest Training and Research, and affiliated centers as Center of Technology Transfer and Innovation, 43 research centers, 101 laboratories, 3 open research centers, and 4 startup companies. Mongolian University of Science and Technology has built strong partnerships internationally, including bilateral cooperation agreements, staff and student exchange with prestigious universities, implementing dual degree programs and joint research activities, membership in the international academic networks, and collaboration with national flagship universities around the world. MUST has signed academic cooperation agreements with over 200 universities in 21 countries around the world to provide talented faculty and students with global experiences. MUST is striving to attract the students, faculty, and staff from around the world and contribute to creating global MUST. Besides above activity, the university is participating in the international staff and student exchange programs with overseas universities such as Erasmus for Academic Staff Program with the University of Pisa, Italy, Erasmus paving the way to interregional mobility and ensuring relevance, quality, and equity of access power with the University of L'Aquila, Italy, Erasmus with the University of Applied Sciences, Vienna, Austria, Staff Exchange Program in Chosun University. For students exchanged with 18 dual degree and joint degree programs with universities from China, EU, Japan, South Korea, and Taiwan. Erasmus for doctoral students program with the University of Pisa, Italy. Erasmus with the University of Applied Sciences, Vienna, Austria. ASD International Association for the exchange of students for technical experience. Graduate Student Exchange Program with DIGIS, South Korea. The school facility includes 5 dormitories in Ulaanbaatar with total capacity of 1,800 students, 50 showrooms for foreign students, 20 showrooms for short-term exchange program, 1 guest house with 8 small apartments for long-term foreign staffs, 20 single rooms at dormitories for foreign staffs. There are 52 clubs for students with over 800 members and 34 professional clubs. The Central Library of Science and Technology with a collection of 50,000 books and 900 seats is located at the main campus. There are 52 clubs for students with over 800 members, 30 for professional clubs, and the Central Library of Science and Technology with a collection of 50,000 books and 900 seats is located at the main campus.
Join us, Mongolian University of Science and Technology.